Hello everyone, today I've received a Dewalt DCD995 from the customer, and him told that the drill is not working or working intermittent. So for now I can see that it's not working, and after visual inspection I can see some kind of problem. It's oxidation here. You can see all the green, so I will clean it, and that will be enough. Test it. So inserting the battery, and yeah, it starts, works, and shut down. You can suspect that the problem is in a connection here, so I will open the drill. Okay, and immediately we can see the problem. You can see how nicely it's corroded here. So the problem is of course the problem is here and here, so I will try to clean them maybe. Yeah, the wires look solid, so first of all I will try to clean the corrosion, and then I will check the contacts, if they are good or not, and how the drill is working. Okay, I have cleaned the oxidation as best as I can. It's some left on the terminal, but I don't know how to clean it better. And of course now the terminal can get a good contact with the battery, so I will test the tool, because maybe the problem was not in a terminal but in the tool itself, and I'm just wasting my time. Okay, I have fitted the motor into gear IC. We have all the wires. Okay. We'll try to get everything back together. Now I'm managing the wires. just getting them in a gap of the housing. Okay, I'll try to close the housing to check if we have a good fit or not. We have small housing damage here. Okay, the pin will go in. All the housing seems to be good. I will try to tighten it. Nail or something rusty. Okay, now we can try and test it. So we have problem. Wow. So it seems that we have solved the problem by cleaning the battery terminal, and yeah, that's an easy fix. For now, thank you for watching, and I will just say bye and see you in our next video.